Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming account type and holdings so the transfer matches precisely. Once done, contact the new broker and request the ACAT or broker-assisted transfer form. This prevents delays. You should cancel pending orders and note any margin loans or restrictions because those affect eligibility. Make sure to have your current broker account number, recent statement, and photo ID ready. Starting with these steps reduces back and forth and sets the process moving immediately. You complete the transfer form precisely, indicating full or partial transfer and whether to transfer tax lot cost basis. Accuracy matters to avoid taxable surprises. Once signed or electronically authorized, submit it to your new broker and keep the confirmation number. This is your reference if issues arise. You should monitor status frequently. Watch for review requests, rejected positions, or settlement holds. If a hold appears, respond quickly with requested documents so the move advances without unnecessary delay. You finalize by verifying each position, cash balance, and transferred cost basis once settlement completes. Reconcile against your old statement to catch discrepancies. Then reestablish standing orders, update linked bank or ACH, and confirm margin or trade permissions so you can trade immediately. If anything was rejected or missing, contact both brokers with the transfer confirmation ID and specific documentation. Escalate to a supervisor if unresolved. 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.